Replacing the pressure gauge on your Hayward Voyager cartridge filter is a simple repair that helps you monitor system performance and keep your water flowing efficiently. Start by stopping water flow to the system. If you have shutoff valves, turn them to the correct position. If not, use Hayward black plugs in the skimmer and return lines to block water manually. Next, open the air relief valve on the filter tank to release pressure. Then, loosen the black ring at the center of the tank by holding the locking tabs and turning it counterclockwise. This will make the lid easier to remove after the tank is drained. Unscrew the drain plug at the bottom of the tank and allow the water to drain completely. Once the tank is empty, finish removing the lid by continuing to turn the black ring counterclockwise. Flip the lid upside down and locate the two wing nuts underneath. Loosen the wing nut holding the pressure gauge in place. This will release the gauge from the top of the tank. Unscrew the old gauge from the plastic adapter fitting. Wrap the threads of the new gauge with 3 layers of Teflon tape, then screw it onto the adapter fitting until secure. Push the gauge back through the hole in the tank lid and tighten the wing nut from the inside to lock it in place. Now reinstall the lid onto the filter tank and secure the black ring. Lastly, reinstall the drain cap at the bottom of the tank. And that's it. Your new pressure gauge is in place and ready to go. For more quick and useful pool equipment maintenance tips, subscribe to the Great Escapes channel. See you next time.